Every woman has the power to become unforgettable, not because she begs for attention, but because her presence commands it. It's not about chasing love. It's about becoming the kind of woman love never wants to lose. If you've ever wondered what makes a man not just stay, but adore, respect, and value you deeply, this video is your answer. Today, I'll share 5 graceful, feminine habits that make a man feel so connected to you, so emotionally drawn in, that leaving simply isn't an option. This is the art of elegance in love. And it starts with you. So let's dive in. Number 1. Be gracefully mysterious. Men fall in love with mystery, not overexposure. When you leave a little unsaid, when you allow him to wonder about your thoughts, your silence becomes powerful. A graceful woman knows she doesn't need to tell her whole story on the first page. She shares with depth, not desperation. It's not about playing games. It's about knowing your value enough to let him earn your inner world. Mystery isn't pretending. It's presence with boundaries. It keeps him intrigued, engaged, and consistently drawn in. Number 2. Make him feel emotionally safe. Men may act tough, but emotional safety is rare, and they crave it. When you're the woman who doesn't mock his vulnerability, who listens without interrupting, who sees through the armor, you become irreplaceable. You're not trying to fix him. You simply create space where he can be seen, heard, and understood. And trust me, when a man finds peace in you, he holds on tighter than words can describe. He doesn't just stay. He cherishes you. Number 3. Protect your individual glow. A high-value woman doesn't disappear into her relationship. She shines even brighter. She continues growing, nurturing her passions, embracing her solitude, and investing in her dreams. Your glow isn't just about your looks. It's your peace, your confidence, your joy. And when he sees you owning your life, he's reminded that your love is a gift, not a need. Let him witness you prioritizing yourself, not out of ego, but out of self-respect. That glow. That's what he never wants to lose. Number 4. Embody feminine elegance. Elegance is an energy, not an outfit. It's in how you move, how you speak, how you hold space. A feminine woman doesn't demand. She attracts. She expresses her desires without pressure. She leans into softness, not because she's weak, but because her strength doesn't need noise. She brings warmth into a room. She adds beauty to stillness. And when you embody that energy, you become the calm in his storm, and the heartbeat he never wants to miss. Number 5. Don't be afraid to pull back. The most unforgettable women know when to step back, not out of pettiness, but power. If his actions become inconsistent, you don't chase. You realign. You return to your center. Your silence becomes louder than words. Your absence reminds him of your value. And when you pull back with grace, not bitterness, he begins to realize, your presence was never a guarantee. It was a privilege. And that's when he returns, not just to have you, but to keep you. Number 6. Celebrate his masculinity. A woman who admires her man's strength, leadership, and presence gives him the freedom to fully step into his masculine role. This doesn't mean you shrink, it means you honor the beautiful dance of polarity. You lean into your softness, while recognizing and respecting his power. You express appreciation for the little things, his efforts, his thoughtfulness, his protection, and his natural drive to provide and lead. You don't take these for granted, you celebrate them, with grace. Because your praise isn't about flattery. It's about recognition. And in a world that often tells men to suppress who they are, your ability to truly see and honor him becomes rare. He feels empowered around you. He feels respected. He feels like a man. And that feeling, it inspires deep loyalty, desire, and devotion. You're not just the woman he loves. You become the woman who brings out the best in him. Number 7. Radiate inner peace. A peaceful woman is magnetic in a way that words can't explain. She walks into a room and brings a calming presence, not because her life is perfect, but because she's learned how to anchor herself in the midst of chaos. She doesn't react to every trigger. She breathes before she speaks. She's not here to control outcomes. She trusts in divine timing. And in her silence, there's strength. In her softness, there's power. When a man experiences that peace, he sees you not just as a lover, but as a sanctuary. His refuge. His calm in the storm. His reason to slow down and feel again. That kind of emotional safety. It's addictive. Because while beauty may catch his eye, peace is what holds his heart. And that peace, once felt, is unforgettable. You don't have to beg to be kept. You don't have to fight to be seen. When you live with elegance, boundaries, and grace, the right man will never need to be convinced. He'll know exactly what he has. And he'll never want to lose it. This is the art of being unforgettable. Thank you for watching The Classy Circle. Don't forget to subscribe for more elegance, feminine energy, and timeless power.